Real Estate Experts, brokered by Fathom Realty. So today we're going to talk about qualifying for a mortgage. I get a lot of people asking me, what do I need to do to qualify for a mortgage? How can I obtain a mortgage? Well, I want to say first off, I am not a mortgage professional, but I do know some information about what it is that they look for. A couple things that they look for when you're trying to qualify for a mortgage. They look at your income. So they want to know, how much income do you make? Can you even afford to purchase a home? Or how much home can you afford to buy? And so what they do is they look at your income. So they're going to ask for things like your W-2s. They're going to ask for your tax returns. It's not necessarily you have to make a certain amount of money. They just want to see how much money you make and that you have a stable income that you're able to continue, to be able to pay for the loan. Another thing that they're going to look at your credit. So they're going to want to know your credit score, and they look at your FICO credit score. With your FICO credit score, they take the middle score. What do I mean by middle score? They take all three of your credit reports and they take the score from those credit reports, and what they do is they pick the one that is in the middle. So the one that falls in the middle, that is the score that they use to determine your credit score. And once they know your credit score, let me tell you, with your credit score, that plays a good part of your interest rate. So the higher your credit score, the better they are able to get you into a good interest rate or a lower interest rate. Now, 640 is the ideal credit score to qualify for a mortgage. Not only helps with the interest rate, but it also can help you qualify for some of the down payment assistance programs. But I do have lenders that work with some of my clients who have credit scores that are at least a 580. So it just depends. They take everything into consideration, but they do look at your credit score. Another thing that they look at when they're determining if you qualify for a mortgage is your debt to income ratio. So what they want to know is, how much debt do you have versus how much income you have coming in. And what they do is they look at your credit report and they see, okay, do they have a car loan? If they do, how much are they paying on their car loan per month? Do they have student loans? If they do, how much are they paying on their student loans a month? What about credit cards? How much are you spending out monthly on your debt versus the income that you have coming in? And that is going to determine if you can qualify to purchase a home. I've had a couple clients come to me and say, look, my credit score is great. I make good money. But then when the lender pulled their score, those things are true, but they have a lot of debt versus the money that they have bringing in. So a couple things to consider when you're looking at getting qualified for a mortgage is, you want to make sure that if you do have quite a bit of debt, you want to have a lot of income, or you want to begin the process of eliminating some of that debt, because you want to have a low debt to the income that you have. So again, this is Kay Ready with Ready Real Estate Experts, brokered by Fathom Realty. Talk to you soon.